Afternoon. Well, spent the best part of the afternoon cleaning up the garage. Yeah, it's good to have a clean workspace again. For how long though, we'll see. Actually see the top of my bench now. And actually now get on with this leather sheath I'm making. But that's top secret, so that's as much as you're getting. But yeah, finally, since my birthday, the grinder's up and running. Attached with those M12 bolts, just the two. Had to do a bit of modification though, because my support underneath my bench, under here, was in the way of the bolt, so I had to cut that out, and I just reinforced it there with a post, a couple of right angles, just another piece of timber here, and yeah, so strength is still maintained that way. But yeah, there's the grinder. She's up and running. 120 grip belt on there that came with it actually, which I've had just a little bit of a play with, just sharpening up a screwdriver to use as an awl. But yeah, I'll switch it on. Cover your ears, eh? Yep. It's a lot noisier than the other grinder. I think this is pretty fitting though. I think that should sit there. There you go. Anyway, that's it. Progress. See ya.